So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Just pick up only the messages that resonate for you. Okay. So I'm seeing here the Eight of Wands. Whoa. So it looks like right in here, no, someone here working on something. Someone here could be, building here. This is 8-3. Okay. And it looks like, no, alam naman natin matitibay ang mga puno, lalo na may mga malalaking mga ugat. So, ibig sabihin kung sino man to, this person right in here, no, wants stability here, okay, about something. This person here, no, hindi naman sa gusto niya ma-perfect ito, pero this person here, no, is very grounded, no, very adamant, no, very sigurado, na gusto niya talaga na parang gawin ito, ipagpatuloy ito, parang ganon. Something to do with permanency, no, yung parang gusto niya na ito ay magtagal sa haba ng panahon, okay? So, let us see what is that na ginagawa niya here. This energy is connecting sa'yo very strongly. So, maybe it's a connection here with you guys. Ooh. So, let us see, let us see, let us see. Okay. From the vibe that I'm sensing here, this person, Chun Sarami, good person. All right, let's see. Oh, Eight of Swords, Four of Swords energy. Wow. So we have here the Three of Wands in reverse. Alam mo maganda tong Three of Wands in reverse, no? Kasi no more waiting ito. Okay. So, kung may naghihintay man dito, tatapusin na yan, matatapos na yung paghihintay na yan. We have now the King of Actions, King of Swords energy. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Kung sino man tong kakonect ninyo, no, we have here the King of Swords with the Ten of Wands. So, ibig sabihin siya po yung klase ng energy rito, no, na parang tatapusin niya na yung burden niya, yung nagpapahirap rito ng loob niya, yung nagpapabigat rito, no, ng kanya ritong isipan, no, ng emosyon. We have here the Two of Coins now. Let us see the center ng reading, a Prince of Cups, and we have here this, Two of Cups energy. Woo! Yeah, I'm hearing the word unstoppable. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, unstoppable siya. Hindi siya rito mapipigilan. Hindi mo rin siya mapipigilan, no, dito sa kanya ritong gagawin, no. We have here the man or the woman of actions, King of Swords energy. Ano, unstoppable pala 'to mare, no, hindi natin mapipigilan, no. Pero carry lang naman kahit hindi natin pigilan kasi maganda naman yung nakikita ko rito, no. Okay, so Five of Wands energy, Queen of Wands now, Seven of Wands, okay. Bottom of the deck, we have the Seven of Coins now, or the Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles here, and the Three of Cups, yes. Okay, so kasi naman itong nakikita ko, the Eight of Swords energy and the Four of Swords, look at that. See? Yeah, I'm hearing that song. No more hiding, now I'm shining in you. No more hiding, now I'm shining in you. Hindi na talaga siya rito mga babes, no, magpapapigil pa, hindi na magtatago ng kanya ritong saloobin at damdamin para sa'yo dahil ang damdamin niya ay ipadadama niya na sa'yo. Tunay na intensyon ng kanya rito, no, napakay sa'yo at yun ay nakikita kong napaka-positibo. Ang taong ito ay napaka-romantiko, no, sa dating ng kanyang vibes. Nakikita ko na matagal rin siya rito na parang medyo nag-isip at nakikita ko, no, na from hiding, no, or sa kanya rito na parang parang stopover 'no, na parang pag-iisip rito. Finally, kikilos na siya 'no, and with the Eight of Swords energy, hindi na rito magbabago ang isip niya, hindi na siya rito magiging urong-sulong, kundi puro sulong, sulong, sulong na lang pre. So, with the Three of Wands in reverse, ito yung klase ng energy 'no, na hindi ka na maghihintay kung hinihintay mo man ang tao ito na, magparating ng kanyang nararamdaman for you, baka kasi gusto mo rin siya, yung iba ni hindi naman 'to hinihintay, ang taong ito 'no, ay magko-confess na ng kanyang emotions para sa'yo. Nakikita ko na ang taong ito ay hindi lamang sa salita magaling 'no, itong person na 'to 'no, ay yung energy ng action speaks louder than words, 'yan. So, nakikita natin dito na ilalaglag niya na yung burden rito 'no, dahil, gusto ka na rin niya ritong makasama at nakikita ko that with the Prince of Cups energy na itong tao na 'to 'no, ay magpapakita na rito ng kanyang tunay na motibo sa iyo at nakikita ko na ang motibo ng taong ito with the Two of Coins energy and the Two of Cups, okay, maaaring, nakakita kayo or siya ng maraming number 2s, okay, spiritual number 2 or angel number. 222 means your soulmate here ay siya, means that this person right in here 'no, ay person dito who wants to take care of you, someone who's comfortable with you, someone who's kind of familiar to some of you because others of you, this is your soulmate from past lives right in here. And I do see that whoever this person is with the Five of Wands energy and there's this Queen of Wands, this person right in here, okay? No matter what happens here, this person will show you, okay, how much he or she loves you. You know, Seven of Wands energy, I don't care daw sa mga taong nakapaligid rito, no? Kung sila man ay tutol sa inyong dalawa or kung meron silang mga negatibong say or nasasabi dito sa inyong connection, kibber. Okay, wala siyang pakialam dito. Dahil ang pinakaimportante dito ay ang kanya ritong nararamdaman. Yan, buti naman 'no. Hindi naman talaga dapat dito pakialaman 'no, ng ibang tao kung ano ang buhay, 'di ba? Tayo lang naman nakikialam dito sa buhay ng may buhay, eh. Araw-araw pinag-uusapan natin buhay na may buhay dito, eh, 'no? Pero talagang dapat ay hindi makialam dito yung mga ibang tao na pagdating dito sa nararamdaman at feelings 'no, wala ditong dapat na magdesisyon kundi ang taong umiibig lamang. At itong tao na 'to, ang iniibig niya ay walang iba kundi ikaw. So yun nga 'no, bago natin pag-usapan pa more itong reading na ito, batiin muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di niyo pa na-subscribe pa po tayo na other channel, link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para makarating kayo doon. Araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At kung nga tayong gender dito, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome, just take only what resonates. Possible din po magpalit ang roles. General reading ito and at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So timeless na, pwedeng nangyari na. Sa iba nangyayari na po ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang. But definitely, I do see someone here who wants to come towards you guys now that he or she 'no, ay hindi na rito mapipigilan 'no. Parang lumabas na rin kasi na parang nag-overflow na yung kanya ritong feelings for you guys 'no. And with the Three of Wands in reverse position, nakikita ko dito na hindi ka na paghihintayin ng taong ito, kasi ito na siya, lalapit na siya rito. Maririnig mo na ang gusto mong marinig sa kanyang mga labi. Kasi yung iba sa inyo nakita ko rito na may gusto kayo sa kanya pero iniintay niyo siya na mauna kasi nahihiya kayo na mauna. Siyempre wala naman talaga rito kahit itulak pa ako miss yan, hindi ako mauuna. So, nakikita natin dito na mauuna siya sa pag-amin ng kanyang emotions and feelings para sa'yo 'no. Ang kanya ditong intensyon sa iyo ay napakapuro 'no, I'm seeing right in here 'no, crystal clear. Okay, so I do see that you can see through dito sa tao ni ito, okay. At nakikita ko rin na ang damdamin niya para sa'yo ay totoo. Kaya hindi ko nakikita na ang taong ito ay paglalaruan lamang ang feelings mo, okey? Yung iba sa inyo maaaring wala kayong gusto sa kanya pero mahuhulog ang loob mo dito sa taong ito, okey? So, yun, I'm hearing another song, wala pang isang minuto nahulog na ang loob ko sa'yo. Yun, oh, ay, ay. Wala pang isang minuto nahulog na yung loob niya sa'yo? Hala! Sintya. So, kasi naman 'tong energy na 'to definitely this gives me this type of energy 'no, na talagang ikaw yung energy ng napakahirap mong i-resist. You are irresistible rito, sweetheart 'no, and I do see that you are someone here who appears very stunning, okay? You are talagang naggo-glow up right here. You are someone here 'no, na parang, very different 'no, sa lahat ng mga na-meet or nakilala niya dito sa kanyang life so far. And with the Seven of Wands energy, this person wants to fight for this feeling, for this connection, for this love of his or her life. Yes, tinuturing ka niya rito na love of his or her life. Ooh! So I do see that this person right in here really wants this. Not just a relationship with the Two of Cups energy, but a commitment here with you guys. This one's very faithful. I do see that for a lot of the energies ninyo na nakuha ko dito, you've been with a toxic guy, right? Or with a toxic woman, okay? Sa inyong mga naging past lovers, okay? But this one's different. This person's not toxic, not a gaslighter, not a love bomber, okay? Not even a narcissist. So I do see that this person here is definitely the one that is so perfect in love sa'yo. Seven of Coins energy, this person here will invest dito, no? Not just the emotions, love, feelings for you, but also with money. He or she is also someone who shares his or her possessions, stability here with you guys, finances. This person here don't mind, okay? If he or she will share his or her possession with you because you are the love of his or her life. Okay? So, para sa kanya, kung anong meron siya, yun ay sa iyo rin. You know? Bongga. So, with the Nine of Pentacles energy, Three of Cups, nakikita ko na mas ginagalingan niya pa ngayon sa kanyang life. Mas nagtatrabaho pa siya, mas nag-iipon pa siya para mas maging matagumpay siya, para mas maipagmalaki mo siya, para maging proud ka sa kanya, no? At nakita ko dito that the angels as well with the Three of Cups and the presence of Two of Cups, no? The angels rito ay muli kayong pagtatagpuan because maybe meron na kayo nitong past life encounters ng taong ito. Kung sino man tong energy na to, no? In this lifetime, you are also meant or destined to cross paths here. So definitely, hindi natin madi-deny that this is your person here, and this person here, no, is doing well in his or her life, no, making a lot of improvements, okay, especially sa kanya rito, no, na character and also sa kanya ritong financial, so that he or she can provide to you, so that he or she can give you the right love. Okay, this person here as well, taking care of his or herself. This person here knows his or her worth. Okay, and this person here loves himself or herself. And that is the number one rule. Okay, because if you know how to love yourself, you also know how to love someone. And now that this person here finally found you, I do see that this person here is someone who is perfect sa'yo. Oh, so, initials right in here, yes, we do have capital letter S, capital letter R, capital letter T, capital letter D, capital letter K, and capital letter B as in boy, capital letter N, and capital letter Q. For small letters, I'm seeing O, P, A. For A, it might be 2 or 3. We also have here small letters R, E, and last but not the least, F. So, ito yung mga nakita nating initials dito. So, by the way pala, maaring itong person na to, no, ay someone na nasa workplace mo daw or around your workplace. Doesn't have to be na colleague or katrabaho mo siya, but maybe sa kabila siya, no, na company or right beside your office. Okay? It could be sa kabilang building, okay? Somewhat nakikita natin dito 'no, parang somewhere around, okay, your workplace or way of earning a living mo or maybe you own your, business here 'no, near your shop, okay, or someone na malapit lang dito, okay, sa iyong, pinagtatrabahuhan. Okay, so yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana Ani, sarang love and light. Annyeong.